Dear students, we have started with NEET of chapter number 1, right? And in today's video, we are going to discuss your special forms of syngamy. What is definition of syngamy? आप सबको पता है, right? Syngamy involves fusion of gametes. Okay. Now this fusion is also called as fertilization. हमने अच्छे से पढ़ा. Your fertilization are characterized into two categories. Whether fusion occurs outside or inside, right? If fusion occurs outside तो इसको बोला जाता है external fertilization. If fusion occurs inside, it is called as internal fertilization. So these are the events of fertilization. एक बार fertilization हो जाए, this results in formation of zygote, and zygote divides and differentiates to form embryo. Okay, so we people have understood the definition of your embryogenesis. Yes or no? What is embryogenesis? Embryogenesis is nothing but development of embryo from zygote, or we can say development of offspring from zygote. ये प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है embryogenesis. Okay. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन बोली थी ब्लास्टोस की. यस, व्हाट इज ब्लास्टोस? ब्लास्टोस आर नथिंग बट योर रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट्स. ब्लास्टोस आर नथिंग बट रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट. तो अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप्स from this reproductive unit, from this blastose, then the process is called as blastogenesis. Okay, so what is your blastogenesis? Development of offspring from reproductive unit. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला था, this reproductive units can be whole organism, can be whole organism if it is going for binary fission or multiple fission, or it can be small part of parental body as seen in case of your budding and fragmentation. Okay, so these are two definitions जो आपको याद रखनी है, blastogenesis and embryogenesis. Okay, now in today's lecture we are going to understand special forms of syngamy. Okay, it is basically divided into three categories. Number one says your neoteny, second says your pedogenesis, and third is your polyembryony. Polyembryony we have understood, right? So one by one we are going to discuss this. So first, if I am going to say your neoteny, then what is neoteny? Neoteny refers to as retention of larval or embryonic traits in adult body. इसको कहा जाता है neoteny. Okay, एडल्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म है लेकिन उसमें कुछ लार्वल और एम्ब्रियोनिक ट्रेट प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Then this is what I mean by neoteny. Okay, an example for the same is retention of larval gills, as I have written, in case of your salamander. In case of your salamander. Okay, तो ये हो गया आपका neoteny. Second comes your pedogenesis. It is also called as pedomorphosis. It is also called as your pedomorphosis. One and the same. Okay, pedogenesis या pedomorphosis, as we have discussed earlier, जो larvae होते हैं, right? So what I have written refers to development of gonads and production of young ones by larvae. Young one by larvae. Okay, so if larvae produces gonads and young one, that refers to as your pedogenesis or pedomorphosis. Examples, right, which can be asked in your NEET is your salamander axolotl larvae, then is your liver fluke radia larvae, and ये example भी people have understood, that is your gall fly. तो ये हो गया आपका pedogenesis. Last comes your polyembryony. As the name suggests, poly का मतलब होता है many, and embryo you very well know that, many embryo, right? That refers to as your polyembryony, right? Now what exactly occurs in polyembryony? If we are talking about zygote, Then this zygote undergoes cell division, yes or no? 1, then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. ये आपने पढ़ा है, right? So this zygote divides to form blastomere. क्या बनाता है वो? Blastomere बनाता है. And this blastomere during early development separates. By chance, if this blastomere during early developmental stage separates, then each separated blastomere is capable of producing offspring. So in this case, instead of one, there will be presence of more than one embryo, and this is what I mean by polyembryonic. Okay? So have a look what I have written. The blastomere. अब blastomere क्या है आपको पता है? Human reproduction में जाओ. Blastomere formed by division of zygote separates in early stage of development, right? And each producing in complete individual. Okay? Example आपको याद रखना है, that is your armadillo. Armadillo is nothing but, over here I am writing, is your placental mammal. कौन है ये? Placental mammal है, right? Who regularly produces 4 to 8 offsprings per zygote. एक zygote है. Zygote divides to form blastomeres. This blastomeres separates and each of this produces offspring. तो ऐसे armadillo कितने young one produce करता है? 4 to 8 young ones per zygote. If another example, if I want to plot over here, then if you are talking about human identical twins, yes or no? Human identical twins, these are also example of polyembryonic. Okay, तो ये हो गया बेटा जी आपका special form of syngamy, that is your neoteny pedogenesis. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? पेडोमॉर्फोसिस बोला जाता है. And last one is your polyembryonic. एक बार examples आपको देखने हैं. You people have to memorize example for the same, right? So today we have completed your NEET portion of chapter number 1, that is reproduction in organism. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you.